Hey everybody, it's Rob Wilson with SouthTampaTeardowns.com. I'm catching up today with Tim Dorsey. He sold a property to one of our trusted builder partners just a little while ago, and he's going to tell us about his experience. So anyway, Tim, when you started off, you had the property listed on Zillow, had a for sale by owner sign out front. Right. What was the response there as far as that goes?
Well, this area, there was a number of responses quickly, but just a lot of lowball offers, just way below what we knew it was worth and what we wanted. And so, and then your letter came in the mail.
Okay.
About a week or so into the process, and I got those letters all the time before, but now we were ready to sell. The house was on the market, so I figured, well, probably a lowball offer. It's a, these mass mailing envelopes, and so I figured, what's the harm?
Yeah.
So I called the number, talked to you, and you said you'd look into it, and the next morning I had in my email box, I had a signed contract and a real offer. I mean, actual money, not one of these lowball kind of deals that people are trying to, catch a desperate person.
Exactly. So you liked the offer, and we talked about it a little bit more. What made you decide to go ahead and move forward with us?
Well, I mean, it was a signed offer in hand. I mean, that's for real. That's not like people coming and trying to feel you out to see what you'll settle for. And it was a good offer, and we countered and we came to a price, and it was like, I mean, we had it up on the market, but from the time I opened the letter, we had a deal like within 24 hours.
Yeah, that's really what we try to do.
Hassle-free. I mean, very easy peasy, as they say.
Good deal. And how was the experience throughout the closing?
Oh, it was the quickest closing I've ever been through.
Fantastic.
I mean, it was probably like under 20 minutes.
Yeah, no mortgage, no hassles, no drama. So yeah, that's what we're shooting for. So thanks again, Tim, for meeting with me today and sharing your story. And I'm Rob Wilson. I'm the Director of Dirt with Exit Bayshore Realty and SouthTampaTeardowns.com. If you've got a property in South Tampa that you're hoping to sell to a builder, give me a call. I'm at 813-784-4199, or if I'm working with another customer, another family, you can always request your offer online at SouthTampaTeardowns.com. Thanks.